So we got this new furniture. Well, it's not really new, it's just different. Someone gave it to us and it was better than the furniture we had, so we got rid of the old furniture and put in this new furniture, but it's extremely close to Trello's cage. And he likes to fly to it and just be with the family while we watch TV or while we're just sitting here. But Jasher is taking this opportunity to play with his favorite bird. And Trello's laughing about it. Peekaboo. I think Trello likes the way Jasher laughs. And Jasher likes the way that Trello laughs. And it's just a vicious cycle. What are you doing, you goofy bird? Oh, careful, he'll get your fingers. He likes fingers. He did it! Here, you want to give him another treat? Here, let me get the treats out for you and see if I can do this one-handed while holding a camera. Probably no, I'll probably end up like dumping it all over the place. But I'm still gonna try. Now I got it. Okay, here, Jasher. These are just sunflower seeds. Trello's favorite treat. Okay, give it to Trello. Oh, good bird. Did you get it? Oh, he got it. Good bird. But I guarantee in less than 2 minutes, he'll be back on the back of the couch again. Well, maybe not, because all his people are here. You're such a funny bird, Trello.
I'm okay.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe, like my Facebook page, and we'll see you again next time.